Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2019 32 Vantage. Fantastic boat. Let's start at the back. It's powered by the twin 350s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Gets it right out of the hole. Great top end. As we move down, you can see the profile of the boat. It's an absolute gorgeous boat. It's got the hard top, which covers from side to side, so it's got a really large hard top. And it's got the auto shore shade that will come all the way out and cover all the way to the back seat here as well. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Start at the back of the boat. If you're out just cruising around, going to the beach, going to dinner, whatever, you've got a really large, comfortable, high back seat back here. Very comfortable, 3 or 4 adults, no problem. And if you are deciding to fish for going out fishing, folds up, nice leaning pole bolster here, rod holders in the back. We do have the dive door ladder. This opens up. It does 2 things very, very well. As far as swimming, we have a ladder that attaches down here, and you can get on and off the boat exceptionally well and very safely with that. Also has a handle to hold you, pull yourself in when you come in. And as far as fishing, you can bring them right in into the fish boxes without losing the fish coming over the gunnel. As we come over here, this seat here is going to, you've got the ladder is right, that's the ladder I was talking about, easily stored away. I can drop this down. I can bring this way, and it lounges really nice this way as well. So, or I can lower this down, and I can bring this up, and I can lounge forward. Fantastic. It's got storage all underneath it. It's a great seat. Here, I've got a very large live well, so conveniently located right here at the back of the boat. And you got a prep station, refrigerator with a small freezer in it as well. And as we move up here, we've got an automatic seat. This will automatically lower up and down depending on your height wise, whatever's comfortable. 2 people very comfortably. You've got a little cabin down here, so if you need to get out of the weather, it's got a little couch set up down below. So it's a place to go if you need to just, again, get out of the weather. Pretty safe place to go. The helm, I've got plenty of room to put your own electronics on here as far as a Garmin or a Simrad or a Raymarine. You can put whatever you want on here. You've got your vessel view, which is a computer, digital throttle and shift, your joystick. That's 3 things. Complete control of the boat. The boat will actually go sideways. I can hit the auto heading. It's like an autopilot, take you directly where you want it to go. And then the sky hook, if I was doing a sunset, I point the bow at the sunset, hit it, and you can go lounge on the front seats looking at the sunset the whole time. You don't need your anchor. Then we've got the head. So you got a very large head area. It's got teak flooring and a teak seat that goes over the head if you want to change your clothes. And it's got a shower in there to rinse yourself off if you want to go to a restaurant. And as we move to the bow, the filler cushion that you saw in the other room there, it fills in here, makes a big sun pad, full sun pad up here. 2 very large lounges right here, very comfortable. It's got everything you're going to need. So any questions on it, like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.